This is the all-new 2025 Kia K4, a sporty, tech-filled compact sedan that's turning heads and shaking up the market. Is this the best-looking Kia sedan yet? And does it offer real value for money? Let's dive into this complete review and find out. If you're into the latest car reviews and tech-packed rides, hit subscribe. New videos every week. The first thing you'll notice about the K4 is its bold, fastback-inspired design. With sharp lines, a wide tiger nose grille, sleek LED lights, and a coupe-like roofline, this car screams sporty from every angle. It's longer and wider than the outgoing Forte, with a much more aggressive stance, clearly aimed at younger drivers or anyone bored with bland sedans. Step inside, and it's a tech lover's dream. Dual 12.3-inch panoramic screens, a redesigned steering wheel, and a modern center console create a premium feel. Soft-touch materials and ambient lighting elevate the cabin far beyond what you'd expect from a compact sedan. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and yes, it's fully wireless. Plus, over-the-air updates keep it future-proof. Under the hood, you get two choices: a standard 2.0L four-cylinder engine making 147 horsepower, or a punchy 1.6L turbocharged engine pushing out 190 horsepower. Whether you're commuting or craving excitement, the K4 delivers. The suspension strikes a solid balance between comfort and control, and the steering is surprisingly responsive for this segment. Safety isn't an afterthought. The K4 comes loaded with Kia's DriveWise suite, including forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and even smart cruise control. Now here's the kicker. The 2025 Kia K4 starts at just under $22,000. Even fully loaded, you're looking at well below $30,000. That's insane value considering the design, tech, and performance packed into this ride. The 2025 Kia K4 is bold, smart, and affordable, a perfect blend for the modern driver. It challenges sedans like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Hyundai Elantra, and in many ways, beats them. If you're thinking of getting a new sedan in 2025, don't make a move without checking out the K4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick the K4 over the Civic or Corolla? Let's talk.